The HortiLED Top 2.0 can be mounted to the supporting structure in multiple ways. In this video, we will only demonstrate the standard method for mounting the luminaire to the track or truss. You can visit our website at pllight.com and download the installation manual for instructions on other mounting methods. Any installation or maintenance work should always be performed by a qualified individual, and before beginning any work, always be sure to turn off and lock out the branch circuit. Refer to your light plan for the specified mounting locations. Ensure you have all components before beginning installation and gather any additional tools or hardware that may be required. With the glass lens facing down, place the luminaire on a cushioned surface to prevent damage. With one person supporting the luminaire on either end, raise the luminaire so that it sits flush beneath the track or truss. Lower one of the supplied mounting brackets over top of the track or truss at either end of the luminaire and insert the open ends of the bracket into the mounting channel. Make sure that the two ends of the wire brackets are facing toward the center of the luminaire to allow for easier removal of the brackets. While still supporting the luminaire from below, push down on brackets until they clip firmly in place. With the branch circuit turned off and locked out, connect the whip end of the power cord to branch circuit. Push the 5-pin female connector on the power cord into the 5-pin male connector on the power in end of the first luminaire in the daisy chain string until firmly engaged. Remove the pre-installed connector caps from the 3-pin connectors on the power out side of the luminaires. Securely connect the modules with daisy chain connector cables. Note that the daisy chain connector cables have a 5-pin female connector on one end and a 3-pin male connector on the other. The 3-pin male connector on the cord must be installed to the corresponding 3-pin female power out connector on the luminaire. The 5-pin female connector must be installed into the corresponding 5-pin male power in connector on the next luminaire in the daisy chain string. Coil and secure excess cable, allowing for drip loops to draw moisture away from connectors. Ensure that the connector cap remains firmly installed in the last luminaire of daisy chain string to ensure safe operation and IP integrity. When luminaires are mounted consecutively, the minimum allowable distance between each luminaire is 8.25 inches.